we are heading off to Annandale, and we're going to go to a Kerbside charger, an EVX charger. The Inner West Council, in partnership with EVX and the New South Wales Government, have rolled out 136 Kerbside chargers over the last several months, and we're going to go check it out. We're going to go see what it's like to use, how much it is it straightforward, is it complicated? We'll talk about who these chargers are intended to help. So come with us, we're on the way right now. So you can see here, on each side of the charger, there are two ports for BYO cables. Here we are. And the parking as well is restricted to people who are actively charging. So let's do that. We've got our Type 2 to Type 2 charging cable. You can get these, if you don't have one, you can get these pretty much anywhere. This is just from Amazon. There's different lengths available for these. We just went with the basic 5-meter one. There was some thought that went into this. And I know some people do recommend longer cables. And I think that's very valid, particularly for cars that don't have a street side charging port. But this one does, so we didn't need something super long. Alrighty. Scan QR code.
Yeah.
Cool. Tap your RFID tag at the RFI reader.
Registering an RFID tag in the app is as straightforward as tapping the RFID card menu item and then tapping Add RFID tag before scanning the QR code that's at the EV charger you're next to. After a few seconds, you can give your RFID tag a name and then save. Once that's done, you just simply tap the RFID card against the charger once more and the car will start charging. We use the same RFID tag that we use for the EV and ChargeFox chargers also.
So simple. We've now just tapped on and it is charging. So very, very easy. This isn't the only one. There's 136 of these that have been rolled out in partnership with the New South Wales Government and EVX, all throughout the local government area of the Inner West Council. And that really does make it so much easier for residents of this local government area to charge. It'd be awesome to see this kind of infrastructure rolled out in other areas, not just the Inner West, but there are many areas across New South Wales that are destination areas where people will travel and then while they're there, they'll explore, they'll check out the different sites, different scenes of the neighbourhood. And that makes this kind of infrastructure a lot more attractive to other areas as well. So we hope to see in the future plenty of other local councils partnering with the New South Wales Government, partnering with EV installers, and just rolling this out everywhere, really. What to do while we're here? Well, this is Annandale, so there's plenty of cafes, there's plenty of restaurants and bars, there's a nursery across the road. Maybe we'll duck into there for a little bit. So yeah, but anyway, this is just a quick video. We really just wanted to show you what the Inner West Council have been up to with these new chargers. It was an absolute breeze to get here. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this is the first time we've ever used one of these Kerbside chargers, and indeed an EVX charger at all. But to get the app installed, to register the RFID tag, to get the charge itself going, seamless. Really, really quick, easy, no problems whatsoever.